NASA outlines its plans to deal with a large asteroid impact. Earth impact, that is, by the asteroid. Daily News, June 20th on New Scientist reports, the chances of a large asteroid ending up on a collision course with Earth are slim, but NASA wants to make plans for how to detect and deflect such a catastrophe. Over the next decade, the space agency is planning to design and test ways to destroy an asteroid headed for our planet or tug it off its path to take it away from it approaching us. There are 3 techniques that could be used depending on the size of an incoming asteroid and the amount of warning time we have before it hits. Now, from what they claim, they've only found about 10% of the asteroids that are coming towards Earth. 90% they have not found. It's not possible for them to find every single thing out there coming towards Earth. In fact, a lot of asteroids have been discovered by amateur astronauts, and the Chelyabinsk meteorite was not even seen coming. It was a total surprise. Now, the techniques that could be used depend on the size of an incoming asteroid and the amount of warning time we have before it hits. One is a gravity tractor, a heavy spacecraft that hovers near the asteroid so that its gravity can tug on the asteroid and pull it off its course. That could be enhanced if the spacecraft could collect mass like a large boulder from the surface to enhance gravitational attraction. This is how Lindley Johnson at NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office in Washington, D.C. explains it in his June 20th press conference. Another plan is to use the so-called kinetic impactor, deliberately crashing a spacecraft into the asteroid to change its speed in orbit, to deflect it away from Earth that way. Johnson says this method will be tested in NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test Mission, scheduled to launch in the summer of 2021. Prior warning: a nuclear device could also be used against an incoming asteroid to either deflect it or break it up into pieces, small enough so they would burn up in Earth's atmosphere. In a report, NASA says they plan to develop mission plans and carry out flight demonstrations on harmless near-Earth objects for both the gravity tractor and kinetic impactor techniques. NASA is also working with FEMA to prepare emergency responders to help warn people who may be in a place where an asteroid could hit, and to step in and with emergency services if that happens. NASA works with ground-based telescopes around the world to detect and track near-Earth objects. That data is sent to the International Asteroid Warning Network and the United Nations Office of Outer Space Affairs, which can warn countries of an impending asteroid impact. Johnson said, with the internet, this information about a detection of an asteroid that could be a threat is going to be instantly out. It's not something that can be hidden, but our processes and protocols are designed to verify and validate that information. Now, the reason that NASA and other space agencies want to do something to deflect asteroids is because asteroid Bennu is scheduled to come so close to Earth that it can even hit Earth in the year 2135. And as we can understand, that will be an extinction level event if that happens. This huge asteroid, the size of the Empire State Building and bigger than the Eiffel Tower, could be on a collision course with Earth, as NASA warned there's nothing they could do to save the planet. So they revealed that NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission will explore asteroid Bennu to see what it's made of, how big it is. Asteroid Bennu has a diameter of more than 500 meters that would unleash 1,200 megatons of energy on impact, 80,000 times that of the Hiroshima bomb.